Welcome back to Chris Can't Cook. Tonight we're making papaya salad, pickled shrimp, and steamed rice. Well, we're not going to show you how to do the steamed rice. You should know how to do that, right? Right. All right, so sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Remember, smash that like button and subscribe. We're going to start out by making our pickled shrimp. You're going to need shrimp, pound and a quarter. We're going to need a white onion. We're going to use about a half of that onion, about an ounce of garlic, ginger. We're not going to even bother peeling that. You're gonna need a quarter cup of sugar, half cup olive oil. You're gonna need 1 lime, 1 1/4 cups of Everclear. No, that's not Everclear. It's distilled vinegar. You're gonna need a nice sprig of basil. You're also gonna need a few sprigs of cilantro. You're gonna need some Szechuan peppercorns, probably about a tablespoon. These will make your mouth go numb. They sure will. 4 or 5 star anise, 4 or 5 cloves. Put it on the stove top with about medium high. You want to just kind of give it a stir to make sure you dissolve that sugar so that it doesn't burn on the bottom. Just a quick little stir just to make sure it's dissolved. Then you can forget about it. Just let it come to a boil and pour it over your shrimp. Just like that. Boom, boom, boom. You're gonna give it a quick stir just to make sure all your shrimp are floating in there nice. So we're gonna let them sit like this for 3 or 4 minutes so they cook through, and then we're gonna chill them down. And you're just gonna put them right on ice. Give them a stir, get them starting to cool. You're gonna need 6 cloves of garlic, 4 or 5 Thai chilies. We're not gonna use all those. That would be wicked spicy. Toasted salted peanuts, dried shrimp. We're gonna chop those up a little bit. We're gonna need some cane sugar or palm sugar. Tonight we got cane sugar. Fish sauce, that stinky good stuff. Limes and lime juice. Cherry tomatoes cut in half, reserved for later smashing. We're gonna need a papaya. We're gonna peel it, cut it in half. We're gonna take the seeds out of it. Then we're gonna julienne it. Then we're gonna smash it up. We're gonna smash and peel some garlic. Then you're gonna add your garlic to your mortar and pestle. Next, we're gonna chop up some chilies. Straight in the bowl. Then we're gonna mash it down real good to a nice puree. Start making our salad dressing. That's what we're doing. With no oil in it. That's what you're looking for right there. Tablespoons worth of peanuts. Save a couple for yourself and some for garnish later. Then chop up our little dried shrimps. It's like chewing on like a little gummy once you get it in the salad. It's really good. Right in the bowl. Now we're gonna start smashing those up a little bit. Peanuts and the shrimp now are getting kind of just crushed in there nicely. Doesn't have to be too fine. That's what it should look like when you're all done and said. Looks delicious. Now we're gonna build the dressing the rest of the way. Here we go. About 3 tablespoons of sugar, cane sugar that is. 3 tablespoons of fish sauce, juice of easily squeezable limes. This one's super juicy. I'm just gonna use 1 lime in here to start. Throw a chunk right in there too. That zest has got a lot of oils in it. Now we're gonna muddle that together. Dissolve that sugar with the fish sauce and the lime juice, just like muddling a cocktail. First, we're gonna cut it on the ends, just like that. So peel it, just like you would a carrot, top to bottom. Fewer strokes, the better. Split her in half. Check that out. They got cool seeds. Now we're gonna take the seeds out. They just scrape right out. Kind of makes a mess. Normally I would do this in the garbage can. Sure would. I don't like making messes, but that's for your pure entertainment right there. That's the sacrifices I make for you. Now it's time to julienne the papaya. First, you're gonna cut it in half. You're gonna check out this thing. Watch your fingers. This thing's sharp as heck, I'll tell you what. You gotta be very careful. So we're gonna make nice noodles out of the papaya. There you have it. That's a half a papaya julienne. They're like noodles. They're really cool. They feel neat in your hand too. They're really smooth. Slice them in half. Be careful. I'm gonna do 10, 15, 20 tomatoes. It's getting close to eating time. That's my favorite time. I'm still snacking on peanuts. I'm so hungry. You just want to get the juices out of them. You want to still have some texture to them. So we're good right there. We're gonna kind of just toss it and coat it with that awesome dressing. Now it's time to plate it up. This is the party time. This is hungry time. Here we go. Give yourself a good helping of that rice in the bottom. All right, now we're gonna top it off with a little bit of our papaya salad. Make it look pretty. You know what we call it, sexy time. Then we're gonna hit it with some peanuts. Kind of crush them up over the top. We got some fresh basil. Make sure it looks pretty for your girl, your boy, whatever. There you have it, papaya salad, pickled shrimp over a little perfectly steamed rice. Nothing wrong with that. Quick and easy, full of umami. Ooh, mommy. Give it a shot. Tell me what you think.